When it comes time to sell a house, people hire a real estate agent to walk them through the process, do all the paperwork, and get their house on the MLS. In this video, I'm going to show you how, as a for sale by owner, you can get your house on the MLS for a fraction of the cost and only pay half buyer's commission. And if you stick around till the end, I'll show you how you can save even more money than that half a commission. Hi, my name's Joel Y. I have been helping people buy and sell houses for the last 12 years, and that's where I get the knowledge and the expertise that I use to teach you how to sell your house yourself. And if you look in the comments down below, there are lots of resources that will walk you through it. There's also a paid product that will take you step by step and show you how to get the most money for your house in the shortest amount of time. And subscribe to this channel, because this channel isn't like full of entertaining things and people don't come back again and again. They come here to learn how to sell their house themselves, and they usually come just once or twice. And by subscribing, you're going to help people find it so they, like you, can save thousands of dollars. Hit that subscribe button and you'll be a hero. So what is the MLS? The MLS is the multiple listing service. That's where agents and brokers put their houses, where they cooperate so that they can get distributed out to the internet and people can find them and realtors can find them for their buyers. But to get your house on the MLS by hiring a listing agent can be really expensive. But there's another way, and that's called a flat fee service. And there's lots of them out there. I'm going to go through a few here today. One of the oldest ones is forsalebyowner.com. But beware of forsalebyowner.com, because they recently sold out to Rocket Mortgage, and they basically just become an extension of Rocket Mortgage and a lead generator. ForSaleByOwner.com was started in 1999. It was one of the very first for sale by owner sites to utilize technology, the internet, so that for sale by owners could get their house onto the MLS. There's a lot more out there that can help you too. There's, for instance, Houseo. Houseo is probably the most technological advanced, but it's also the most expensive. Some other ones, FSBO.com, FSBO.com, ISoldMyHouse.com. And a relative newcomer to the for sale by owner market is Baycom, and they seem to be the cheapest from what I can gather. Now remember, when you use a flat fee service, you're probably going to end up paying a buyer's agent. The whole purpose of getting your house on the MLS is so their realtors can find it, so they can show their clients. So if you end up paying a buyer's agent, that buyer's agent will also do all the paperwork for you and will also walk you through the process. So you're getting this all done for like half the price and maybe less. And this is how you get it done for less. One of the first videos I ever made when I started this channel. It's okay to negotiate with the buyer's agent, and I'll show you how you can do that by watching that video. And that's it. If you don't like any of these, just Google flat fee service. I'm sure you can find others. There's tons of them out there. And again, subscribe to this channel, because you will be helping other people to find it, and they also can save thousands of dollars just like you're going to do. I'm also going to list all these down there in the comments so you can find them and just click on the links to get straight to their site. Thanks for watching.